One thing I am telling you, be careful. Now write word meaning of next paragraph. Take out your copies and pens and start writing meaning of next paragraph. Fi yomin. I am reading also. After that I will write. My voice is coming clearly. Okay. في يوم أفهمني والداي والداي. This is musanna sigha. Walidain for walidain. Walidane. It was ya is joined for as muzafil hai, to noon is omitted. You know very well that musanna and jamaz noon will be omitted when they are coming as muzaf. في يوم أفهمني والداي فوائد توفير المال. One day afhama, this is I also I explained कि when it goes to babifal to make someone to do, like fahima yafhamu means to understand, but afhama means to make someone understand. So here it is coming, my parents, one day my parents make me understand the benefits of saving money. Saving tawfir al mal, saving money. Here it is not coming that mal wealth someone is having. No, a child is also having small amount, so he should have a habit to save it. So one day my parents make me understand the benefit of saving money. Wa akhazani ilal banki, and they took me to the bank. أخذاني إلى البنك. They both took me to the bank لأنهما أرادا أن يفتحا حسابا باسمي, because they both decided to open account with my name. حتى أتعود توفير قليل من الفلوس التي آخذها من والدي من وقت إلى وقت وشهريا. أتعود, to be habitual. أتعود means to be. تعود يتعود.
Okay, you have closed your eyes. Okay, غصن.
Now see,
Branch. Okay.
تعود يتعود.
Hi. Yeah,
we have police stations. Now it is visible.
This is from bab tafa'ul. تعود يتعود.
When you go page number is 10.
Once again. Okay,
To be.
Aisha Muzahir, your question is هل أكلت ثعلب العنب؟ هل أكلت ثعلب العنب؟
To be habitual. توفير قليل من الفلوس التي آخذها من والدي من وقت إلى وقت وشهريا. Until I become habitual to save money. من الفلوس, fulus is that some rupees or a very little amount it is coming. Okay, like توفير من الفلوس التي, which from the little amount which I take from my parents, from my father, time to time, or in the or monthly, which I take from my father time to time or monthly amount, what I pocket money which I get from my father, or time to time what I am taking from him. I should be habitual to save them from it some money, है ना? My voice is coming. My voice is coming. Okay. ذهبنا إلى البنك ودخلنا مباشرة في غرفة مدير البنك. مباشرة Mubasharatan means attached. Oh, sorry. Mubasharatan means that directly. Okay.
All the words?
Next one.
So close your eyes.
Yeah. Also, I can see that these buildings can
You will tell me.
مباشرة means directly. ودخلنا مباشرة في غرفة مدير البنك. ذهبنا إلى البنك. We went to the bank and we entered directly. We entered in the bank manager room. لأنه صديق والدي because he is my father's friend. منذ أن كان طالبين في كلية زاكر حسين. From the time or since the time when they were a student in Zakir Hussain College. We went to the bank and we entered the bank manager's room directly because he is my father's friend. Since they were ankana munzu ankana talibane, since they were students in Zakir Hussain College. Clear? سر مدير بشير أحمد ورحب بنا. So the manager Bashir Ahmed became happy and he welcomed us. جلسنا أمامه فقال والدي للمدير. We sat in front of him. My father said to the manager حضرت اليوم لفتح حساب توفير باسم ابن شكيل. Today I came to open saving account with the name of my boy Ibni, of my son, with the name of my son Shakil. فقال المدير أهلا وسهلا. Manager said welcome. فليفتحن هذا الحساب. We should open this account. ولكن يبدو أنه قاصر. But it looks that he is not able. لكن يبدو, it looks. bada this is bada yabdu है ना. I told you that one word is there, bada means to start. Bada'a, this is with Hamza. Bada'a yabdaw. It means yabdaw to start है ना. And one word is there, bada yabdu.
Who is writing on the screen?
I got disconnected. Am I audible now?
again and again disconnecting, so cannot understand what I have to do. Yes.
तो मैं थर्ड हो रही
Okay. So
It is
Fatima,
very difficult.
responsibility.
excellent.
In this I was not asking any boundaries.
Oof.
Which comes under the category Farha means my because it's not what this thing means to
يبحث, he searches. Okay? He's searching.
Atif
Okay,
start
tell me,
searching.
for what is he searching? ماذا يبحث?
Okay.
What is he searching?
Atif
Use
start
the right
searching
word.
for the
The
story.
time will be over in this.
Who is this person? I don't know.
What is he searching in the story?
Please freeing yourself so that I can understand. Otherwise, I will be missing in between. I'm looking
What is
only.
good
So
for
what we
happiness?
can do?
طعاما, mashallah. So who is searching for food? من يبحث طعاما?
Okay, so in the sentence that you have completed,
th- then it will be possible to withdraw money.
Hafsa madam. Okay. Madam Mustafa, what is honey?
Sahiba yasabu means
Hafsa madam Mustafa.
Sahiba yasabu means to withdraw.
What is high better? What is high in the story?
To withdraw the saved money with an interest, malfaida with a benefit with interest, ويفتح حساب توفير, and he can open the saving account in أحب ذلك if he will love.
Madam Mustafa. Come on, the meeting will be over very soon. Okay, Sarah will tell me, Madam Mustafa. Sarah, come on. Tell me what is Mustafa. Madam Mustafa.
Yes. Again it is disconnected. Connectivity problem is too much, especially in first period, so it is very difficult
What is the name of the
to
story
take
we are
class.
What is the name of the story we are revising?
Next time Imagine will be there in the class. You can report. Otherwise, I'll start moving
Tell me the name of the story.
What is okay? Take care about it. Next class, if we will get open, I will tell you. Fine. So till
Understandable.
now we have discussed. You can see we discussed the short answer type question. You can see how we are going to adapt. In next class,
Very
we will
good.
discuss these
So, marking
funny and
is good or bad?
CP long answer type question. So basically, you can say that
Being
in
market.
next class we will
Cunning.